Today we're talking about news and updates, both the good and not so good developments with the OTC penny stocks, Healthier Choices Management, ticker symbol HCMC, and HUMBL, ticker symbol HMBL. First, when it comes to HCMC, you want to keep an eye out for HCMC earnings that are expected between March 3rd and March 7th. This usually has a significant impact on a stock. If you're wondering about the status of the HCMC versus Philip Morris lawsuit, per lawyer Jossam Sauce, HCMC has until January 14th to turn in a detailed response to their appeal regarding their case against Philip Morris. These Twitter posts also showed that PM tried to invoice HCMC for their attorney's fees in this case, which HCMC refused due to their appeal and process. Now we're back in a waiting game to see if the judge will open this case back up. Before we continue into HCMC and HUMBL's news, remember that OTC stocks are highly risky, so I only invest money in OTCs that I can afford to lose. High risk versus high potential reward. And remember, this is not financial advice, but for entertainment only. Hi, investing friends, this is Lynn, and welcome back. So let's go and review today's hot stock. But first, if you could give this video a thumbs up, it would be greatly appreciated in return for all my efforts analyzing this stock. And while you're at it, subscribe. We know that HCMC's business strategy is still to, number one, attempt to expand upon and monetize its patent suite. 2, operate and potentially expand upon its 4 health food and vitamin stores. 3, operate and expand upon its Healthy Choice wellness centers. And number 4, seek out new business lines within a mission of Healthier Choice to add to its portfolio. What I found odd is that their Q cup is not listed on their website anymore. Perhaps HCMC is gearing up to some point sell this product off to another organization or have it go public on its own. In looking at the Q Cup website, the only evidence of a relationship to HCMC was through the HCMC logo on the top left of 2 of its videos. When it comes to HCMC's stock performance, it's interesting that E-Trade compares Healthier Choices Management to similar companies, Catalyst and G-Tech, which, per this screenshot, have also been sliding down in value over the past year. Bioforce Nanosciences is the only one of the 3 with a positive performance of 111% over the past year. Bioforce, ticker BFNH, is a $1 stock. Bioforce Nanosciences Holdings, Inc. focuses on providing natural vitamins, minerals, and other nutritional supplements, powders, and beverages. Per HCMC's 1-year chart reflecting daily candlesticks, you can see per the vertical green and red bars that in 2022, there has been more buying than selling of the stock. Although the daily volume has been drifting lower, this 3-month chart, also with daily candlesticks, shows HCMC forming a base since around mid-December. This usually indicates that the stock will be making larger moves in one direction or another. HUMBL also shows a slide down in its chart over the past year, but the 3-month chart indicates more selling than buying in the recent past. When it comes to penny stocks, I always pay close attention to the short volume, as this usually has a big impact on moving the stock. This short report for HCMC shows that the short volume jumped on January 28th, shooting up to 30%. Before that, it was at a much lower average volume of approximately 17%. HUMBL short volume did the opposite, dropping to 17% on January 28th after being at an average of approximately 28% over the previous 5 days. Regarding business strategy or news updates, I haven't seen much from HCMC other than updates about their PM lawsuit. Now for HUMBL, their web impressions have recently increased by 95%, so I'm assuming something is up, but I haven't figured out exactly what yet. There was an interesting Twitter post about revolutionary companies that got hit with a big decline in 2000 through 2002. That you see here, Amazon had a 98% decline from $75 to $5.51, and Priceline dropped from a high of $165 to a low of $1.80. So hang in there. If you believe in HUMBL, this could be a very long ride with a potential great outcome in the future. HUMBL does have some impressive additions to their NFT gallery, including Des Taylor's Vesha Valentine set. See this Veter's NFTs and Tom Verano's gallery with these spectacular safety NFTs. Regarding announcements on January 24th, HUMBL announced the addition of Blocks to their HUMBL Pay mobile wallet. This mobile wallet features the ability to buy crypto and send gasless peer-to-peer, P2P transactions on over 20 plus digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Blocks, and USDC stablecoin. HUMBL Pay's customers can now buy Blocks using ACH credit card and debit card directly inside the HUMBL Pay mobile wallet, as well as send Blocks via gasless peer-to-peer transaction to other HUMBL Pay users inside the HUMBL Pay mobile wallet. I always love hearing from you, so please let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about HCMC or HUMBL or any other stocks that you are liking right now. Remember to go and subscribe to our 60 Perfect newsletter, which is linked in the description below the video, to receive penny stock alerts and notices about more videos like this one. Also go here to check out our latest video, including one on CIBL and ILUS.